Hi to everyone. Welcome to குழந்தைகள் உலகம். Chapter 2 Number System. First we will see introduction. The term data comes from the word datum, which means a raw fact. The data is a fact about people, place or some objects. Example, let name, age, class, marks and subject be some defined variables. Now let us assign a value to each of these variables. Name, for example, Rajesh, age 16, class 11th, mark 65, subjects computer science. These are one of the data. In this example, the values assigned to the 5 different variables are called data. When the above data is proceed, we get an information Rajesh is 16-year-old, studying in class 11th, has scored 65 marks in computer subject. Next topic 2.2 data representation. Computers handle data in the form of zeros and ones. Any kind of data like numbers, alphabet, special character should be converted to 0 or 1, which can be understood by the computer. 0 and 1 that the computer can understand is called machine language. Zeros and ones are called machine language. 0 or 1 are called the binary digit, that means bit. Therefore, the study of data represented in the computer is important. A bit is stored from the binary digits, which can be 0 or 1. It is the basic unit of the data in computers. A nipple is a collection of 4 bits binary digits. A collection of 8 bit is called byte. A byte is considered as a basic unit of measuring the memory size in the computer. Word length refer to the number of bits processed by a computer CPU. For example, the word length can have 8 bits, 16 bits, 32 bits or 64 bits. Present day computers used 32 bits or 64 bits. In this figure, bit means 0 or 1. Nipple equal to 4 bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte. 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabyte. Computer memory, main memory and secondary memory is a normal represented in the term of kilobyte or megabyte. In a decimal system, 1 kilo represent 1000, that is 10 to the power 3 in the binary system. 1 kilobyte represents 1024 bytes, that is 2 to the power 10. The following tables represent the various memory sizes. Kilobyte 2 to the power 10, megabyte 2 to the power 20, gigabyte 2 to the power 30, terabyte 2 to the power 40, petabyte 2 to the power 50, exa 2 to the power 60, Jita 2 to the power 70, Yata 2 to the power 80. Bytes are used to represent characters in a text. Different types of coding scheme are used to represent the character set and the numbers. The most commonly used coding scheme is the ASCII, that means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Each binary value between 0 and 124 is used to represent a special character. The ASCII value for blank space is 32 and the ASCII value of numeric 0 is 48. The range of ASCII value for lowercase alphabet is from 97 to 122 and the range of ASCII value for the uppercase alphabet is 65 to 90. Different types of number system. It has 4 types: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Decimal base value is 10, that means 0 to 9. Binary base value is 2, 0 and 1. Octal base value 8, 0 to 7. Then hexadecimal base value is 16, 0 to 9 and A to F. Each number system is uniquely identified by its base value or radix. Radix or base value is the count of the number of digits in each number system. Radix or base value is general idea behind the positional numbering system. Decimal number system, it consists of 0 to 9, that means 10 digits. It is the oldest and most popular number system used in our day-to-day life. In the positional number system, each decimal digit is weighted relative to the position of numbers. This means that each digit of number is multiplied by 10 raised to the power corresponding to that digit's position. Binary number system. There are only 2 digits in the binary system, namely 0 and 1. The numbers in the binary system are represented to the base 2 and the positional multiplies are the power of 2. Leftmost bit in the binary number is called as a most significant bit, that means MSB, and it has the largest position weight. The rightmost bit in the least significant bit and has the smallest positional weight. Octal number system. Octal number system use digit 0 to 7, that is 8 digit. Each octal digit has its own positional value or weight as the power of 8. Hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number is represented using base value 16. Hexadecimal or hex numbers are used as a shorthand form of binary sequence. This system is used to represent the data in a more compact manner. Since 16 symbols are used 0 to F. The notation is called hexadecimal. The first 10 symbols are used same as the decimal numbers, that is 0 to 9, and remaining 6 symbols are taken from the first 6 alphabet sequence A to F, where A represents 0, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.